Hello everyone, it's Jackie again with the final design team project for September and October, and this time it's Artymaze, Andrea, who has some fantastic kits, and this time I've used her Iris collection of digiprints. I've used the main kit and the add-on. I haven't used all of it, but I've used quite a good proportion. It's a single signature fabric covered journal. There are 80 pages front and back, and this one is quite full. I went a bit overboard on the tags and such like, and there's a lot of fluff on the back here, so you can see all the pretty ribbons and lace. I've included a little charm and a boho bead, some lace on the spine, it's fabric on the outside and the inside cover, and we've got lace ties here which I've left quite long. Obviously you can cut those down a bit if you prefer. So inside we go, inside. These are pages from the kit, and I've printed everything that I've printed from this kit. I've printed on parchment paper, so it's a fairly muted look really, which was what I was aiming for. So the inside covers are just a cream, slightly mottled fabric, and these ribbons are just pinned through the cover here, so you could take all these off if you need to. There is a lot of writing space, but because of all the additions you would need to take some of the tags and journal spots and things out, I think, to write comfortably in it, or put a board underneath each page. Anyway, let's go through. So inside the first cover I've got a glassine envelope decorated. These are all decorated with pieces from the bits of ephemera from the kit, and obviously I've added the silk chiffon and the lace and such like. So that's a tag. Okay, and it's just behind there. This tea dyeing I liked, you may not. It's quite dark, that little bit there, but I quite like that. There's book pages in here. This is from a botanical book. There's some little, I think I've got 4 of these small fabric collages. This is just a journal card mounted onto craft and decorated with, as you can see, a little bit of metal filigree and a gem. This is from my old Dictionary of Gardening. That's the book from the late 1800s. This is a tag with a pocket, some little tags inside, all from the kit. Tim Holtz stamp on the back there. This is another page. All the pages that I've used from the DigiKit, from Artymaze's DigiKit, I've put some lace down, which is glued and stitched. This is an envelope from the kit. Quite liked how this sort of mimicked a honeycomb, and we've got a bee on this book page, which I didn't plan, that just happened. This is a collage tag with a print from the kit page. This is from Artymaze's Iris kit, and I've just turned that into a journal card. We're on plain cream cardstock, and there's some cheesecloth under there and some bits of ribbon and lace, toning the colours there. This is from a botanical book, and I've got the stinking iris. Sorry about that, but it did seem to fit. It's another of the fabric collages. This is a book page, Artymaze page. This is a little fabric and paper flip. This is from an old sari, and that's just pinned on some lace at the top of the page there. The centre of the signature is the Yellow Iris or the Flag from the Edith Holden book. It's another iris tag decorated with a Joyce Kerr's rusty pin. Thank you, Joyce. That was part of one of her gifts to me, and there's some lace and a mini tag on there. This is the opposite side to that book page. Little fabric strip here. This is another journal card. It's just lace covered, an image from the kit. Some of these I've cut down, some of them are as are, and that's on cream card. It's pale green chiffon silk ribbon, goes nicely with this picture. It's a little floating pocket, Patricia Viramonte's type floating pocket with a journal card in here. That's obviously from the kit, as is this piece of paper on the pocket here. And there's some little tea cards in there. This is similar to the other journaling card that I made, decorated with a metal filigree. Another envelope. A tag with a fabric pocket, the same fabric as I've used on the front and back covers. That's just some silk chiffon ribbon at the top there. And the last tag is a tag with a pocket. Sorry, I just need to be careful taking those out. A tag with a pocket. We've got a bow and a little card inside there. So that's my Artymaze September. Oh, one more journal card in the back there. My Artymaze September, October design team project. I've stuck to what I like doing, which is these fabric covered. These are actually all glued. The fabric is glued front and back, and then stitched. So hopefully that will be quite hard wearing. And thank you all for watching. See you soon.